Beautifully acceptable dorm. Let's start from the front door and the lock. It's like accessing a general hotel door, and the white square next to the door is the heater. For the small kitchen, we got sink, fridge, electric stove, which allows a simple cleaning process, and a dining table. The oven is having microwave function. Then here's the studying area with the only window for this room. And the bed. Closet. Bathroom, which is even smaller than a Tokyo one. I still can't believe how tiny it is, and I don't like it. I really don't. Toilet. And you do get space storing your stuff. A huge mirror is attached onto the door, and there would be a sofa that I barely use. Here it is. And finally, the curtain. Since this room is located on the upper floor, the view is, what do you think? Daytime, sunshine is pretty nice. Fridges like this. Ovens like this. Stove and exhaust fan. Lights coming from Bath Street. Mailboxes, and here's the front desk. The building does have a lift. Cozy space for everyone. I love the chairs and the windows here.